It's like building stuff every day, like erector sets and Legos, and I feel accomplished at the end of every day. I get to bend and cut metal into different shapes for various projects. They go out into the world and make people comfortable.
In class, we have learned how to calculate perimeter and area. Aaron and his coworkers use this knowledge to manually create the shapes that will become ducts and vents in your home.
Your mind would be blown if you saw the amount of math that we do. If a machine goes down, we may have to do our calculations manually and draw out patterns for duct work and different fittings. I interact with truck drivers and vendors, other people in the business that don't have as big and such a state-of-the-art shop as we do. That's my favorite part, is be able to build things and do what I like with my hands, but actually, and then it helps somebody too. I love that.
Learn more at PBS Learning Media.